experience. I have started my career from OPA in 2017, and now 2020 August I have joined GSPC LNG Limited as a in-charge firefighter. Today is my topic regarding first GLL overview, then OSD 117. A part of OSD 117 I will cover only water demand calculation. How we proceed for calculation of water demand. Some glimpses of NFSW 2020. These are the glimpses where 14th of April with the observance of a fire safety week with the plant heads sir speech. Specification terminal at APSEZ Mundra in phase 1. The terminal will expand to 10 mm TPA in phase 2 future. The first LNG cargo was received in 22 January 2020. The terminal was commissioned 12th of February 2020. While liquefied LNG natural gas NG is converted into LNG by cooling negative 160 degrees centigrade. Then reduce the volume by 600 times. That is our expansion ratio of LNG. Reverse we get a little bit reduced by volume. So convert convenient to easy to transport in LNG is a pipeline because it is easy to transport a material in low cost. Initial cost is high, but maintenance cost, other cost is very low in pipeline. It can also transport by road tankers where there is no gas network. It is odorless, non-toxic, non-corrosive in nature. But when we transport, use LNG in household, there is a mixture of ethyl mercaptan so that household people can aware there is leakage of LNG. Because in industrial it does not require ethyl mercaptan mixture. Where uses of natural gas, electric power generation as government is pushing up to renewable energy, there is some compulsion of industries like in the steel industries. As I heard about Surya Roshni, there is a contract which legal binding that production of steel pipes shall be through the renewable energy. So they have made their terminal. Industrial is a fertilizer, antifreeze, plastic, pharmaceutical, fabric, chemical as such as ammonia, methanol. As a heat sources, ceramic industries nearby are Bashau. The industries are ceramic industries, famous for ceramic industries. As you heard about Kazaria ceramic tiles, these are located over there. Tiles, glass, steel, cement, bricks, paper, food products. As a vehicle and domestic, natural gas vehicle emit 60 to 90% less smoke. That smoke is called a pollutant, which is occurring of pollutions in the environment. That is, NG is generating less. And 30 to 40% less greenhouse gases emission. Some properties of NG, flash point negative 188 degree. There is a major concern of lower and upper explosive limit. Lower limit is 5%. So all the system has been designed detection system of a gas base shall be below the 5%. Relative density is a good part for us because it is lighter than air. So the major explosion may be avoided because of wind and the climate condition because density is low, lighter than air. Boiling point minus 160 degree, minus 162 degree centigrade. Specific gravity of LNG at minus 162 is 4.53. Auto ignition temperature 537 degree centigrade. There is categorization of LNG when the vessels come in our terminal and berth. How we can categorize the LNG is lighter or heavy because of MW kg per meter cube. You have seen the 16.52 and 19.2. The location of GSPC LNG terminal Mundra, as shown over here, marked with a arrow. The terminal is total area is 28 hectare area and the jetty is around 1 kilometer. This is a process flow chart of a GSPC LNG terminal. Here the ship is berthed. From there, ship, there is a 4 arms. There is 3 liquid arm, one is gas arm. Liquid arm capacity is 500 meter, 5000 meter cube per hour capacity के साथ discharge होता है. Then it goes to the tank, and there is a vapor generation. Vessel require a gas. The gas given to the vessel to the return gas blower. Because if 3 arm is working, so there is 50,000 meter cube per hour. So we have to give 15,000 meter cube per hour of gas. So that replacement of a liquid into gas, because the structure of we have to save the structure of a storage of ships. So there is a LP pump over a tank which transfer the LNG into the high pump. But there is a vapor generation which goes to the normally in a BOG, boil of gas compression, which compress the LNG into some compression pressure. Then it goes to the over absorber, and some part of LNGs and absorber there is a phase transition. So gas of compressed gas of BOG get converted into LNG. LNG then hold the bottom part of connected with the SP pump. Then it transferred to the open tank vaporizer, where the LNG is converted into NG. After that, it transferred to the metering station. One is a GSPC LNG metering station, other is a customer GSPL metering station. Now I come to my technical part. Over I am going to cover OSD Standard 117 2019. The fire protection facilities for the petroleum depots, terminal, pipeline installations, and lube oil installations. Some basic definitions. Petroleum depots and terminal, a portion of the property where the combustible flammable liquid are received by the tankers, pipelines, tank wagons, tank trucks, and stored and blend in a bulk for the purpose of distribution by the tankers, pipeline, tank wagons, tank truck, and portable tanks or containers. Pipeline installation, cross-country pipeline installation. Then lube oil, as is the plant heard by the lubricating oil plants, it is covered in the OSD 117 for the installation. Aviation fueling station, the facilities where air turbine fuel is received by the tank wagons, tank trucks, pipeline, and stored in bulk for the dispatch of product by pipelines. It also includes storage of methanol or other additives in drums. Hazara Series classifications as per OSD 117. The petroleum product having a flash point below 65 degrees centigrade or any flammable gas or vapor in a concentration capable of ignition is likely to be present in 24/7. Another class, the petroleum having a flash point above 65 degrees centigrade is likely to be refined, blend, or stored at our flash point, that is non-Hazara's classification area. But it is further classified in Petroleum Rule 2002 or classes of petroleum product. There is 3 classes according to flash point. First, E class is classified as having a flash point below 23 degrees centigrade. Class B is classified where is the flash point above 23 degrees centigrade but below 65 degrees centigrade. Class C product where the flash point is above 65 degrees centigrade but below 93 degrees centigrade. Above the 93 degrees centigrade flash point, these are the excluded petroleum product. Fire protection facilities. The main system mother system is water-based hydrant system for every firefighting in the scope. There is mother system, fire hydrant layout, network layout. Without network, we cannot do any firefighting. So, fire water system, foam system, clean agent protection system, first aid firefighting equipment, mobile firefighting equipments, and carbon dioxide system, dry chemical extinguishing system, portable firefighting equipment. Basic definition has covered by Gaurav. Coming to the point, design criteria, how we calculate the water demand. First, criteria 1, The fire water system shall be provided based on a single largest fire condensation all location where the total tankage in the terminal is up to the 30,000 KL. If the terminal has a capacity of storing 30,000 KL, then we have to consider a single largest fire water demand. If the terminal has more than 30,000 KL of a capacity, so we have to consider two major fire simultaneously.
So your terminal fall in which category?
Second category. Class A petroleum product ground tanks shall have a fixed spray system. However, installation above 1000 KL storage fulfilling the following both conditions are exempted for the provision of fixed fire spray system. Class A petroleum units. Next. Criteria 1 जिसने exempt किया गया. Aggregate above storage tank class A and B petroleum product up to 5000 KL. Second class exemption दी गई है. Floating roof tank storing class A petroleum product having diameter up to 9 meter. जिसमें हमको fixed firefighting water spray system का exemption है. Class B के लिए above ground petroleum product storage tank fixed roof or floating roof the diameter larger than 30 meters shall be provided with a fixed water spray system. Fixed foam system or semi-fixed foam system shall be provided on a tank, floating roof or fixed roof exceeding the diameter of 80 storing class A or B, class B petroleum. Rim seal protection system shall be given in a floating roof tank as mentioned in OSP. Clean agent system shall be provided in. But there was 30
देने के लिए दे सकते हैं।
Okay. Clean agent system.
कोई उसको देख के सब नहीं देना है तो भी ठीक है। अभी वेज ऑयल में कोई भी प्रोटेक्शन सिस्टम ऑयल बोलता ही नहीं। वेज ऑयल जितना भी टैंक है ना, कोई भी अपने है ही।
Base of flooding system should be provided on control room, computer rooms, repeater stations, pressurized room in a major locations having automatic pipeline receipt and dispatch. The major concern is design flow rate, atmospheric storage tank. If we consider a dike, where is a tank? If we consider a fire in a tank, then we calculate water demand. If a tank has a fire, then we have to spray a water with 3 LPM per meter square. If we consider a tank on a fire, then we have to apply a 3 LPM meter cube, 3 LPM per meter square. If tank is falling within the R plus 30 rule, R is diameter of a tank which have a fire plus 30 meter distance. Within the 30 meter, then we have to apply 3 LPM per meter square. If tank is falling beyond the R plus 30, we have to apply water spray system of 1 LPM per meter square. Pressurized vessels 10.2 LPM per meter square in a cell area. Process unit pumps, volatile product service located in the pipe rack have a flow rate of 20.4 LPM per meter square. Column extremely hazardous area 10.2 LPM. LPG pump house 20.4 LPM per meter square. LPG tanks, truck and tank wagons. Loading and unloading gantries, LPG bottling plants, Krauser machine. These are the areas where covered in with a 10.2 LPM meter square. Gantries area covered with a 10.2 LPM per meter square. For the consideration of water, we have to consider 3 gantries simultaneously with a dimension of 15 by 12. Design flow rate for foam solutions. Foam application rate in a cone roof tank at a full surface fire 5 LPM per meter square. Foam application rate for floating roof tank in a seal area, rim shield area 12 LPM per meter square. In case of floating roof fans, in sinking case, there is a requirement of 8.1 LPM per meter square. Apart from that, how much water required to store in a terminal? The capacity of water reservoirs minimum 4 hours aggregated capacity. This can be avoided in case 1. For all locations where the storage capacity makeup water supply shall be available 50% through the EDP or other sources. It can be reduced to 3 hours. If category 2 beyond 30,000 KL, if a makeup supply shall be available.
Where it is written that ETP can be considered as a
नो सर, मेकअप पम्प।
makeup or you have said ETP.
ईटीपी के थ्रू अगर मेकअप किया जाता कहीं किसी भी सोर्स
But, I don't think anywhere it is written you can use ETP water. ETP treated water. Treated water.
30,000 मोल कैपेसिटी का टर्मिनल है, तो उसमें 50% अगर मेकअप अवेलेबल है तो आप सिंगल लार्जेस्ट फायर के लिए आप वाटर स्टोर कर सकते हैं।
1 hour less. 4 की जगह 3 कर सकते हैं आप।
केस 1 में अगर सिंगल लार्जेस्ट फायर का, अगर केस 2 जो है सर, फॉर ऑल लोकेशन वेयर द टोटल स्टोरेज कैपेसिटी मोर देन 33,000 केएस, तो उसमें भी आपका मेकअप जो है 50% अवेलेबल पंपिंग का, तो आप उसको रिड्यूस कर सकते हैं सिंगल लार्जेस्ट फायर के डिमांड का। फायर वाटर पंप्स की रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है? Pump shall be capable of discharging 50% of rated discharge at a rated rate of 65%. If assume that a pump is discharging 100 liter in a 10 bar, 10 kg pressure, for example, then it shall be capable of discharging 150 liter at a 6.5 kg of pressure.
It is not a right perception.
Yes, sir.
Right perception of this is that design network capacity should be 150 times. डिजाइन नेटवर्क जो है उसका कैपेसिटी इतना होना चाहिए कि 150 टाइम वो डिलीवर कर सके। पंप का तो रहने वाला ही है, लेकिन नेटवर्क आपने डिजाइन नहीं किया तो पंप कैन डिलीवर 150 टाइम्स, बट योर डिजाइन नेटवर्क इज नॉट इन अ वे दैट इट कैन डिलीवर 150 टाइम्स।
But sir, YSD says that
देखना इसलिए मैं आपको 2-3 चीजें इसलिए बता रहा हूं।
and the minimum requirement of pump
8
horizontal
इंच का डाया चाहिए ना डिजाइन में। 150% कितना है हुआ, उतने इंच की डाई की लाइन होनी चाहिए आपको।
Okay. Second, the criteria for setup related, the horizontal centrifugal pump. For the pump, another criteria is setup related. A horizontal centrifugal pump has a setup pressure 120%. For a vertical turbine pump, 140% of the rated. The requirement of standby pump, if there is a two main pump, we have to give one main standby pump. 50%, you can consider 50% as a standby.
और एक पंप है तो
एक पंप का
100%
100% आ जाएगा। The fire water pumps including standard jockey pump की जो कैपेसिटी है जो 5 to 10% आपका रेट डिमांड की है उसका jockey pump डिजाइन होना चाहिए। The fire water pump and storage cell located away from potential leak sources tankers and shall be at least 30 meter away from the equipment where hydrocarbon are handled or stored. So the calculation is given in Excel sheet for simplification. It is converted into Excel. You can change the dia and height of tank and the location R plus 30 root. Then you can automatically calculate the demand.